Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email or export reports and dashboards in HubSpot. Whether you need to share performance metrics with your team or send client updates, this process makes it simple to distribute your data exactly when and how you need it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your tools are accessible. Now look to the left navigation bar and click on the Reports tab. This is your hub for all analytics and data visualization in HubSpot. When you click it, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From the expanded menu, choose either dashboards or reports depending on where your target item is located. Dashboards give you a collection of multiple reports in one view, while reports focuses on individual data sets. Select whichever houses the information you want to share. Once you're in the correct section, locate and click on the specific dashboard or report you want to export or email. This will open it in full view so you can work with it directly. If you're looking to export a single report or chart, hover your cursor over that item. You'll see an Actions dropdown appear, which might be labeled with 3 dots or a gear icon. Click on it and select Export from the menu. This opens the Export dialog where you'll choose your file format. HubSpot typically offers options like CSV or Excel. Pick the format that works best for your needs and click Export to download it to your device. Now, if you prefer to email the report or dashboard instead, look for the Share or Email this dashboard option, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the sharing dialog. Here's where you customize your delivery. You can choose whether to send the report immediately or schedule it for later. Enter the email addresses of your recipients, and if your settings allow, you can customize the subject line and message to add context for whoever receives it. When selecting recipients, you'll have the option to include internal HubSpot users from your organization. Depending on your HubSpot edition, you may also be able to add external email addresses for clients or partners outside your company. Finally, click either Send Now if you want immediate delivery, or Schedule Email if you want to set it up for recurring distribution or a future date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.